Hello there, this is Rahil from All About Affiliate Marketing, and in today's video we'll talk about the affiliate program of Atlassian. So let me take you to the website, which is Atlassian.com. For the ones who don't know about them, Atlassian.com is the official platform for Atlassian's suite of collaboration and productivity tools. It showcases products like Jira, Confluence, Trello, and Bitbucket designed for project management, knowledge sharing, and software development. So what you're waiting for? If you feel like any of the Atlassian's products are best suited for your business, you can come to their website, see which of the products are best suited for you, and get yourself any of the tool that you like. But we are not here for that. We are here to earn money from Atlassian. Possible? Why not? As usual, we can join the affiliate program of Atlassian and start promoting them to our audience, to our traffic, and when we bring sales to them, we will end up getting commission. So the affiliates of which country can join their affiliate program? I didn't find any restrictions at all. So regardless of your country as an affiliate, you can apply to be part of their affiliate program. To the consumers of which country can you promote them in order to receive commission? You will only receive commission if you're bringing sales to them from United States of America. How do you join their affiliate program? For that, let me take you to the website called impact.com. Now, what is Impact and what does it have to do with Atlassian? So Impact is one of the top affiliate marketing networks out there. What is an affiliate marketing network? The work is a mediator between brands and affiliates. So that means if you want to join the affiliate program of the brands out there, you must join respective affiliate marketing network. In our case, you must create an account with Impact as an affiliate. Now, Impact call affiliates as publishers and brands as advertisers as well, so don't get confused. How do you create an account with Impact? For that, simply click on Request a Demo, which will take you to this page. Over here, within for creators, influencers, and publishers, click on Sign up as a partner and then complete the registration. Now, I understand there are many nuances involved when creating an account with any of the platform out there, so don't you worry, I got you covered. I recently had created a video on how to create and use impact.com affiliate account. You can find the link in the video description. Click on the link, follow the instructions from there, and get yourself a free publisher or rather the affiliate account with impact.com. Once you have an account with them, you can come to their website once again, click on sign in, which will take you to the login page, enter your credential, and then it will take you to something called affiliate dashboard or the publisher dashboard. Now, this is a place where you would be able to interact with different brands out there, but the focus of the video is Atlassian only. So how do you find the affiliate program of Atlassian? For that, you have to click on Discover and you have to click on Find Brands, which will take you to this page. Over here, within the search bar on the top right hand side, name, ID, and keyword, search for Atlassian. Simply start typing the name followed by an enter. You will see the tile in here. You can click on the tile to see their affiliate program related details. So as you can see here, promoted on, sign up verified $15. Now that's great. That means if you bring signups to them and these signups get verified, you will end up getting $15. But let's look more into it and try to understand more about the commission rate. For that, you can click on view terms. It will take you to this page, and over here you shouldn't be looking at this one because it says $0. But if you scroll down, you will see this section sign up verified, which is $15 USD. And this includes these SKU: Jira software sign up, Confluence sign up, and service management sign up. So let me take you to the website again, the Atlassian's website. And over here, if you click on product, if you click on developers, you'll see Jira in here. If you click on product managers, you'll see Confluence. And if you click on IT professionals, you would be able to see Jira service management. So these are the only three products which will allow you to earn commission. Now the commission rate says $15 per sign up, but you have to understand when you click on any of these products, it will take you to their product page. And when you click on pricing, you would be able to see pricing related details. I don't feel like you would receive commission if someone joins a free account. They must be joining either the standard, premium, or the enterprise account. For each product, the pricing varies. So this is the pricing for Jira, and then this is the pricing for Confluence, and then this is the pricing for service management. So long story short, if you're bringing traffic to Atlassians, and if these users are trying to sign up for any of the three discussed products and are buying any of the standard or premium plan, only then you would be able to receive commission from Atlassian. Right, so let's try to see more on it. If you scroll down, you would be able to see general terms. Over here, I highly recommend that you read this term and condition for better understanding. Now, let's say you have read it all. Let's go back to the program information section page. Over here, you can click on details for better understanding. Where we service. So this is what we talked about, the consumers of the United States. As discussed, you will receive commission if you're bringing sales to them from United States consumer. And if you scroll down, you'll see even more details. For example, open replacements, open to influencers. That means even with social media account, you would be able to apply to them and you would be able to get the approval from them. And then if you look at the left hand side, you have this envelope icon. If you ever want to reach out to them, simply click on this envelope icon and initiate an email if you like. And if you scroll down, you'll see even description and more detail. Now, let's say you have read it all and you want to apply to them. How do you do that? Simply click on this apply button. It will open up this overlay window. And here you have to tell Atlassian why you want to work on this campaign, basically the affiliate program, why you want to join them. So you might want to write good thing about you because they will try to understand your business plan, and based on that, based on your traffic source as well, and of course your traffic location, they could end up approving you. So for me, I have already written. I'm just going to copy and paste in here, and then I can click on apply. In your case as well, you can click on apply. When you do that, you will see this message: your application is pending review. That means your application to the Atlassian affiliate program team have gone, and they will see whether you're good fit for them or not. And based on that, they will give you the approval. How would you know that you have been approved? You will be notified by an email, and it could take anywhere between a couple of days to a couple of weeks time for them to decide. And once you have received a confirmation email from them, and let's say you have been approved by them, where would you find them? On the dashboard. This time click on discover and go to my brands. Over here you would be able to see all your approved brands including Atlassian. Next, you can start promoting them, but to promote them, you can't just take any link from the website. You have to use or create tracking link. How do you create tracking link? For that, you can click on home. It will take you to the home page. Once you're here, you can look at this widget, create a link. Over here within brand, you can select Atlassian. But since I'm still waiting for Atlassian to review and approve my application, just for the demo purpose, I'm going to select SEMrush in here. And within landing page, you have to enter the URL. So let me take a URL from Atlassian. I'm just going to go with Jira URL. Let me copy it from here and let me try to paste it in here within landing page. Same way, you can select your brand as Atlassian and then put the link that you want to convert to your tracking link, followed by click on create button. When you do that, it will create a tracking link for you, which you can take and share it with your audience. But in my case, it did not work because I was trying to create a tracking link of Atlassian using SEMrush as a brand. In your case, ensure you're selecting the brand and putting the landing page URL accordingly. Let's say you don't want to create your tracking link, but rather you want to use existing tracking links. How do you do that? For that, you can click on content and from here, click on assets. It will take you to this page. Over here, if you look at the left hand side within brands, you can select Atlassian, which should have been approved for you. But in my case, I'm going to go with SEMrush just for the demo purpose. Once you have selected your brand from here, the Atlassian, you can look at which kind of link you want. So let's say I want to get image link or rather the banner link. I can click here and I would be able to see them listed here. In your case, you can select Atlassian from here and then click on images. And once you see all the banner links, let's say you like this banner link, for example, you can click here. You would be able to see the preview. If you want, you can download this image. You can click on asset code. It will give you an HTML link code, which you can take and integrate it from the backend of your website. You can also click on tracking link to get the tracking link directly from here. So this way you can get the link for any of the available assets. And if you like, you can search for videos, emails, coupons, articles, and different kind of links as well. Right, so you have understood how to create or get tracking links. The next question arises, where can you start promoting them? There are many ways, but still I'm going to cover a few. One way is website. Doesn't matter whatever kind of website you got, so long as you have been approved by them, you can promote them anywhere on your website. Let's say homepage, category page, or whatever page or section that you feel like is more suited for your audience. Next is blog. Blog could be amazing here because you could write blog posts about different products of Atlassian, especially Jira, Confluence, and the third one that we discussed. And when you write about these products, you may want to put your tracking link somewhere in your blog post. So this way, when people would read, they will click on the link, they'll buy the subscription, you'll get the commission. Third way is social media. Now, I feel like social media could be great here because you could create different kind of content. For example, you could create posts, reels, videos, and post it on your social media pages and put your tracking link somewhere either in the description or the comment. This way, when people would consume your content, they'll click on those links if they like the product of Atlassian. And fourth way is business services website. As an affiliate, if you would have business services website, I feel like these are more suited for brands like Atlassian because people would come to these websites to learn about different tools, great tools available out there. Maybe you might want to feature Atlassian products on that tool section of your website. This way, when people would come to your website, they will explore those sections, and if they feel the product of Atlassian are best suited for them, they'll click on it, and as usual, you will receive the commission, assuming they do the sign up. So you could promote Atlassian through these ways or any of the ways that you feel like is more suited for you on your traffic sources accordingly. Let's say you started bringing sales to them, the signups. Where would you see your performance? For that, you have to come to the Impact Affiliate Dashboard once again. Once here, you can click on Reports and you can click on Performance by Brands. It will take you to the section. Over here, you can apply different filters and you would be able to see your program IDs here, program name, clicks, and actions. Not only that, you can click on reports and run any of the reports to get the understanding of how you're performing. By the way, Impact calls cells as actions, so don't get confused on that term as well. And about the accumulated commission, you would be able to see on the top right hand side over here. And to have more details, you can click on it and you can click on balance. It will take you to this page. Over here, you will see the bifurcation, how much balance is getting accumulated from which brand. And to get this commission, ensure you have updated or you have given your payment details. So how do you update it? Simply click on bank account settings from here, which will take you to this section. Over here, you can select payment method. Now, as of now, you see electronic fund transfer as your payment method. For me, depending on your location, you could see electronic fund transfer or PayPal, one of these payment method. So you can select your payment method from here and then you can update the details accordingly. If you select electronic fund transfer, you might end up giving your banking details. And if you select PayPal, you might have to submit your PayPal email address. So this is how you can update your payment details and expect to receive commission from Impact. All right, so this is how you find the affiliate program of Atlassian. You apply to them, you get the approval, you start promoting them, and you start earning commission. And this brings us to the end of the video. I hope the video was helpful to you and helped you in learning all about the affiliate program of Atlassian. For me, if you got any question related to affiliate marketing or if you want me to create a video like this on the affiliate program of any other brand, do let me know in the comment section and I'll try my best to create a video on them. In the meantime, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and click on the bell icon so that any video I create like this, you get notified for the same. Thanks for watching.